All right, grand rising everybody. It is a chilly morning. Just got up out of the van. We are in Mammoth and we're in the eastern Sierra Nevadas at the hot springs. Thought I'd take you along this morning to show you my sun gazing routine. It is a beautiful morning. Look behind me. Oh, the sun is just coming up. You can barely see it. We're gonna get to a good spot. I'm gonna get to a good spot right over here and show you this sun gazing technique. Come on. Sun gazing is a powerful technique. Doesn't have to be very complicated. Just stand nice and tall. Take your shoes off if you can. Standing barefoot, being grounded, feeling the energy going up and down the spine. Put your hands about shoulder width apart. Really let the fingers and palms come in contact with that first morning sun. Add about 10 seconds every single day to your practice, staring directly into that sun, consciously pulling that energy into the pineal gland, into your entire being. Remember, take it slow and really get the most out of this practice. When you're finished staring at the sun, this is the most important part. Hands over the eyes, covering them, and slowly pulling in that energy from the sun. Take your time here. Focus on that spot. You're gonna have like a yellow, orange, almost blue beam, like a dot, big dot in your mind's eye. Concentrate on that. Focus on that spot. Consciously bringing that energy into your body. This is the full assimilation of the sun's energy, and this is a very important step. Now take your time with this. This is the most overlooked step here when it comes to sun gazing. You know, I'm starting to get some more energy now that the sun is coming up. It's warming my body. It's feeling really good. Now that yellow orb, that circle in your mind's eye, has to be completely absorbed. So take your time with this. Put your hands over your eyes. Let that energy go into your body and fully assimilate that sun energy so you can start your day. All right, guys, thank you so much. Oh man, I am just freezing out here. Please be smart about this. Sun gazing is real. This is a powerful yogic technique that I would not recommend to anybody who does not take this seriously.